got to be so great on Mark that he realized he had to do something. He was facing about 10 embezzlement charges, and he was facing the loss of face in Sausalito. He had been known as the man who was the civic citizen, and he would go to affairs, and he would be the kind of guy who would always bring a great bottle of wine. Where did he get that wine? Well, probably from his clients. But all of a sudden, he was about to be exposed as a thief. So he concocted this idea that he wanted to cover his tracks. And he had the notion that if he set fire to this wine warehouse, and the wine burned, the police would no longer be able to say that he had sold the wine to Premier Clue and other places. And Mark would be able to say that the wine burnt up and that they had no proof that he had sold it. So in this hot day in October, he went and he soaked some rags in gasoline. He put them in a
concoct, concoct, concoct,